Hey there, how are you? My name is Jorge Daniel, and I want to welcome you to this Power Platform Essentials video series. This is already video number 7 on this series that will take you through the works on Power Platform. So far, we have discussed environments, solutions, tables, and columns. It's time to create an app. There are two types of apps you can create: Canvas and model-driven. With Canvas, you take full ownership of both user interface and user experience. With model-driven, on the other hand, data is your main focus. Another important difference is data sources. In a Canvas app, you can leverage the many available connectors and bring in data from a multitude of sources such as SQL, Salesforce, SAP, or even a simple spreadsheet or SharePoint list. Model-driven apps run on Dataverse. And then there are custom pages, Canvas apps that you can embed in model-driven apps so you can enjoy the best of both worlds. In this video, let's create a model-driven app. From your solution, click New App, Model-Driven App. Give it a name and click Create. Let's give it a moment. And once it's done, let's add some pages, and these will be Dataverse table. So we want accounts, and we want expenses and expenses type, and add them. Now publish. And play. And you have an app, full out-of-the-box functionality and fully responsive. But let's take a look at a few options you have. One thing you can do is name table groups so they don't look like a new group. So let's add a name here, expenses. And one other thing you can do is add other groups. So let's create a new group here and call this one customers. And maybe bring accounts down to this group we have just created. Yeah, like this. Publish. Okay, now back to our app, refresh. And you have your groups with names and your data better organized. Let's go back to the Maker experience, click on Settings. From here, you can change the icon of your app using a web resource. You can look at features you may need to enable, and you can also customize the navigation of your app. Collapsible groups are helpful if you have a lot of tables and you don't want that left menu with a big scroll. And also areas allow you to organize even better your tables by creating areas where you can display your menu entries. Once you're happy, click close. Don't forget to publish if you made any changes, and then you can play your app again. Well, congrats, you have built an app. But there's still a lot of work to do, and in the next video we are going to look at forms so we can start entering some expenses. See you soon!